Well, my parents spoke Yiddish, and all of their friends spoke Yiddish. They claimed that my first language was Yiddish. I don't remember that. They say that I didn't speak English until I went to school, but I don't have any way of verifying that. We always answered in English. And I think that the big push at that time, after all, you know, you may not realize it, but I'm 79 years old. Back then, I think the big push was to become part of the new world. And certainly, you know, when I was in grade school, many of the children were like me, who were first generation, and their parents were immigrants from England and Scotland, you know, and Poland and all over. And I think the philosophy of the school district was to get rid of the other cultures and turn them into Canadians or Americans, whatever the case might be.